You're on board the news track. Trouble is mounting for Olympic medalist turned murder accused Sushil Kumar. The Maharashtra Control of Organised Crime Act is likely to be slapped against the wrestler. The Delhi police says Sushil will be taken to Haridwar to piece together the missing links in the murder of Sagar Rana.
The fall of a mighty wrestler. Two-time Olympic medalist is now a murder accused. On May the 4th, Sushil Kumar allegedly killed fellow wrestler Sagar Rana in a brawl and fled to Haridwar soon after the incident. Delhi Police Crime Branch has now taken Sushil to Haridwar to complete the timeline of the high-profile case. Police say that Sushil's mobile phone, which is yet to be collected, holds crucial details about the case. Videos recorded during the fight, who all Sushil WhatsApped, including contacts with gangsters and other call details, will prove to be crucial evidence against the wrestler. It is believed that Sushil disposed of his mobile phone in Haridwar while he was on the run.
The Delhi police is gathering circumstantial evidence along with concrete evidence to make a watertight case against Sushil Kumar. The investigators also suspect that Sushil Kumar might have disposed his clothes in Haridwar, possibly containing DNA of Saga. The police is also probing that who was the person who gave refuse to Sushil Kumar after he fled from Delhi immediately after beating Sagar, who later died in hospital.
Sources have confirmed to India Today that Sushil has been uncooperative so far and has stuck to his statement that he only beat up Sagar and killing Sagar was not his motive. But the proof is mounting. The video of the May 4th assault shows Sushil with gangsters. Pictures have also linked him with criminals, and that's why the Delhi police is cracking the whip. Delhi police is reportedly planning to slap stringent MCOCA charges against Sushil over his involvement with gangsters. According to Delhi police, Sushil Kumar was in touch with gangsters like Kala Jathedi and Neeraj Bhavana. During the murder of Sagar Rana, Sushil also beat up the nephew of gangster Kala Jathedi. This led to a rift between Kala Jathedi and Sushil Kumar. Delhi police sources also say that gangster Bhavana's henchmen are suspected to have accompanied the Olympian on May 4th.
After slapping of MCOCA in Sagar Dhankar murder case, the police will not only get extension in filing charge sheet, but it will also be able to ask for maximum punishment against Sushil Kumar and other accused during the trial of this case. It will also become very difficult for Sushil Kumar to get bail in the case.
And that's not the end of the troubles for Sushil. Another person has now accused him of assault, a shopkeeper claiming that he was beaten up black and blue by the wrestler.
छुटते मेरे सुशील कुमार जी ने 2-3 हाथ दिए। जैसे उन्होंने हाथ दिए ऐसे सारे जो 30-40 पहलवान वहाँ 50 खड़े थे सबने मारना शुरू कर दिया। मेरे को तो फुटबॉल बना दिया। सबसे पहला हाथ सुशील ने मारा था मेरे।
Sushil Kumar has been evasive and in denial over the murder charges against him, but the evidence against him is piling up. Not just in the murder of Sagar Rana, but also for his alleged close ties with the deadliest gangsters of Delhi. With Munish Pandey in Delhi, Bureau Report, India Today.
Was the dangal and death in Delhi involving Sushil Kumar a crime of passion? It's now emerged that the crime may not just be the result of the fight over rent. The Delhi police now say a female friend of Sonu Mahal, who was gangster Kala Jathedi's nephew, was the real reason behind the brawl.
A shocking new revelation in the Sagar Rana murder case, where Olympian Sushil Kumar is the prime accused. The police have learned that the gruesome murder could be a crime of passion and may not just be over unpaid rent or gang rivalry. According to sources, gangster Kala Jathedi's nephew, Sonu Mahal, was staying with his girlfriend in Sushil Kumar's model town flat in Delhi. The girl was also friendly with the victim, Sagar Dhankar. And this became a bone of contention between wrestler Sushil Kumar, Sagar Dhankar and Sonu Mahal. Sushil may have objected to the girl staying at the rented accommodation, which is in the name of his own wife. The trio had a fight, and Sonu and Sagar allegedly grabbed Sushil's collar during the tiff, and things got heated up. After the argument, Sushil is learned to have completely lost his temper. This small brawl soon escalated into a fatal fight at the Chhatrasal Stadium, which resulted in the murder of budding wrestler Sagar Dhankar. Sonu Mahal too was bashed up, allegedly with the help of gangster Neeraj Bhavana's men. Police are investigating to trace the mystery girl and find and fix her role in this entire crime. With Arvind Ojha in Delhi, Bureau Report, India Today.
This is where I wrap up the news track tonight. For your time and your trust, thank you. Stay well, stay safe. I'll see you tomorrow evening at 8. Goodbye.